Breu'n Life YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami box with a lid. The materials you will need is 2 square pieces of paper, colors, optional, double-sided tape. Step 1. Take your square piece of paper and fold it in half. Crease well. Unfold it, flip it around, and fold that side in half. Then unfold that, and now you have your 4 corners. Step 2. You're going to fold your corners into the middle. Like that. Do that to the rest. Step 3. We're getting there. Now that you have all of your corners folded, you're going to fold that side to the middle. Like so. And do the other side as well. There you go. Unfold it. Step 4. Now that you've unfolded it, you're going to flip it around, and you're going to take that side and you're going to fold it to the middle also. You can see the creases we made with the other side. And do the other side just like the other one. And there you go. Step 5. This one's the hard one. Unfold it and pull the tabs out. Then you're going to fold it to the middle, which you should have that crease there, like that. Then you're going to take the side and fold it to the middle, which you should have that crease there too. Do the bottom. Kind of fold it to, not quite to the middle, but like to the quarter of the middle, and do the other side also. Now that you have that done, you're going to take your tabs off to the side that you have, and you're going to push them in so that you create a little box. And then you're going to take your flaps and you're going to fold them into the box like that. And do the other side also. It's like pop the tabs in and fold it down into the box. Then take your double-sided tape and rip off a little piece. And fold up all of your tabs and place it on the very middle, in the bottom of your box. Since it's double-sided tape, you just fold all the tabs back down and it should stick all to the tape. Like you got it in there, and then push the tabs all down onto the tape. And there's your box. The bottom of your box, I should say. Now we have part 2. On part 2, we're going to make the lid. Take your other square piece of paper and your colors. This is optional, but color your piece of paper. You can color it however you would like. I am doing little star fireworks kind of. It just kind of makes it fun. You saw it at the beginning. And then I'm gonna take a dark blue and I'm just gonna draw like waves around the outside of my little fireworks, kinda. Because the wave side is gonna be on the side, so you're not really gonna see that. So if you were to draw a picture that you wanna see, draw it in the middle. Take your picture and flip it over to the white side and fold it in half just like we did to the bottom of the box. Unfold it and fold the other side. And then fold your sides to the middle. So for the top of your box, what you're gonna do is there's gonna be a step that's gonna be a little bit different. So you're gonna make it slightly bigger so that it fits on top of your box. Now that you have all that done, you're going to take them and fold it to the middle, but what you're gonna do is, if you watch, you're not gonna fold it all the way to the middle. You're gonna leave a little spot just so it makes it slightly bigger. Like that. You can see how we left a little bit so that it's not quite to the middle. And you're gonna do that to the other side too. So then there should be a gap. Then you're gonna unfold it and flip it around, and then you're gonna fold it to the middle, and you're gonna do the same, not fold it straight to the middle, but just a little bit off so that you have a gap on that side too. And you open it and pull your tabs out, and you're gonna do that same hard trick that we did. So this is your last step. And just like we did, we're gonna pull them in to create a little box, and then put them down into the box. Fold them down into the box, I should say. And do that to the other side also. And there's your box. And you can see my fireworks there in the middle. Okay, thanks for watching. So we have our bottom and we have our top that's beautifully colored, and they fit on perfectly. So you could give this to a friend or just keep it for yourself to put some goodies in or something. And we taped it here so that it would stay down. You can tape the top if you want, but I mean, you're not really gonna see the top, but whatever. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.